2, 3, 4.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be working on this beautiful banner that I made for my godson here. It was his 4th birthday and he decided he wanted a monster truck theme, so that is what we went with. And if you guys are ready to see how I made it, please keep watching and let's get started. Here I'm on the Pinterest page, and this is where me and my sister share our ideas for the party. I'm gonna work on something like this, but it's not really gonna say like a number. I just want it to be like his birthday banner, so it's gonna be more actually like this, just happy birthday Matias. And so I'm just gonna go over to Cricut Design Space, and so we're just gonna start off with the clean canvas. So I'm gonna click new, and I already uploaded all the images that I'll be using. As you can see, they're all right here. As always, all I do is just go on Google and find images and download them to my computer. From there, I just upload them into Cricut Design Space and I use them. You can also go to Etsy and there's a lot available for you to buy. But I like to use Google to save a little money. I'm just going to click on them to insert them. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use yet, but as always, I just like to have all my images available for me. And I'm going to add to my canvas. And we can either follow this kind of like triangle cutout or this one right here. So I think I'll just be using this shape. And so I'm going to insert a rectangle. Okay, so here I have a rectangle that's 4.5 by 6.3. And I'm going to add a triangle. And I'm making it blue just so it's easier to see, but I want to like cut out the bottom piece. So now we're just going to slice and get rid of the bottom pieces. And so we have our little banner. And I do kind of want to follow like a color scheme. I'm just not really sure yet, so we could change that later. Okay, so with the flags, they kind of go crisscross, so I'm going to duplicate this, flip it, and just like this. And I want to add an offset so they don't look just kind of plain. Just a very thin offset, like a 0.01. But I want to make it white, so I'm just going to change it white and then flatten. And I'm also going to use this one. Again, offset, apply, make it white, and flatten. I am going to flip it so it can face that way. Okay, so I think I have all the images I need. I'm not going to use these right here. But now I'm just going to add my letters and make a bunch more banners. For the color palette, I'm going to stick to a red, green, blue, yellow, and I'm just going to add in the text real quick. And I've been using the Cooper Black font. I think it looks really good, so I'm just going to keep sticking to that, and I'm just going to make it black. And so it's going to print something like this, so I think this looks good. And I'm just going to ungroup everything so each letter is individual. And now I can move it to its place. And so our birthday banner will look something like this. And so once you're happy with your design, you can go ahead and make it. These little images right here, I'm going to print and cut, and then everything else I'm going to cut out with cardstock. Okay, so now we're just going to be printing this page plus one more flag that I couldn't fit in that first page. And then we're going to be just cutting white, black, red, yellow, green, and blue cardstock paper. I'm not going to use bleed, but I do want a better quality picture, so I always just change the quality to best. And print. Here I have cut out everything. Here are the letters, our print and cut images, our banners right here. And I'm only going to use glue to stick everything onto the banners. But I am going to be punching holes on like the top of them right here, just so I can, you know, put the strings through and it'll be a lot easier for me. So I'm going to do that first. And now we can just glue everything together. And now we just have to get our string, weed it through, and, you know, hang it up however we want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And thank you so much for watching.